Costco just validated one of the most important economic principles most people never study. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Hi, my name is Nate Scott, author of Life is Rich: How to Create Lasting Wealth, a principle centered, biblically based leadership program focused on personal growth and entrepreneurship. I'm a former CFO of an Inc. 500 fast growing company and former wealth advisor at UBS Financial Services, as well as a former tax franchise owner and a certified AI consultant. You see, Costco recently reported more than $62 billion in quarterly revenue. Most people hear that and think, Costco sells a lot of products. That is true, but it is not the insight. Costco did not build a global economic engine because of products. Costco built an economic engine because it captured household spending. Every household must consume toothpaste, laundry detergent, cleaning products, nutrition, personal care. These are not luxury purchases. They are recurring consumption. That means the opportunity is not hidden in the product. The opportunity is hidden in the behavior. You see, finances are 80% behavior, 20% know how. People use it, they run out, they buy it again, month after month, year after year. That is retention economics. And retention economics create durable cash flow. Now, here's the authority insight. Costco built a centralized household economic system: warehouses, distribution centers, logistics, membership, household trusts. But the real asset is not the building. It is not the inventory. It is the relationship with the household. Once Costco earns that relationship, the household returns. That is the engine. The Life is Rich household economic system applies the same economic principle in a decentralized way, not through warehouses, through people, not through storefronts, through trusted household relationships. The company manufactures, the company fulfills, the household consumes, the household reorders, and the economics have the opportunity to compound through retention. I studied a 25-year case example of this model. A few hundred households introduced over time expanded into tens of thousands of customers across a broader network, not through hype, not through speculation, through consistent reorder behavior, small inputs, long runway, compounding economics. Here's the question every serious entrepreneur should be asking. Not, will people spend money? They will. The question is, who owns the relationship with the household? Because whoever earns and retains that relationship influences the flow of spending. And whoever understands how to consistently serve that flow of spending begins to understand the architecture of an economic engine. Costco proves the principle. The Life is Rich household economic system applies the architecture. Essential consumption never stops. The only question is whether you understand how to intelligently position yourself inside that flow. That is not hype. That is economic architecture. And once you understand the architecture, you begin to see opportunity everywhere. So here's my invitation to you. Do not join anything because of emotion. Do not make a financial decision because of somebody gave you a compelling presentation. Study the architecture. Look at the economics. Understand the role of household consumption, retention, and time. Then make an intelligent decision for yourself. If you want to see how the Life is Rich household economic system works, I've created a guide that walks you through the economic principle, the 25-year case example, and the architecture behind the model. Study the guide, run the numbers, and ask yourself one question. What would happen if I stopped being only a consumer in the household economy and learned how to participate in the economic flow? Understand the architecture, then decide. Life is Rich, the household economic system. Study the architecture, understand the economics, make your own decision.